What's up, folks? Nice morning update. November 14th. I apologize. I've been out of town, so I've missed a few days. But we have been kind of just parking right here at this 100-day moving average. It's interesting. I don't see a lot of people talking about that, but that's kind of where we're parked. Now, we could get above it. Today, you have a 36, 37 is your nightly high, 36 and 35. So you're kind of at a wall right here. 44.44 is going to be my next upside, 44.70, and then 45.25, or 27.5, that area right up here. We could see a park at 4,500 as well, but we'll see. That's the upside. Downside, you have that 44.07.04 area probably. Then you have a lot of congestion here. Your 2-month POCs at 4,400 even. You have the 97 here, 93 here. Those could park. I would really look at this 43.80 area for downside, and then the 64. I would assume they're going to defend the 64 because that's the 50-day, which is right here at the 66. So that's, if we were to fall drastically, that would be my hard stop right there. That would be, but I would think that some of these levels potentially could hold between 93 and 404 or 407. I know that's a wide zone, but it's been so much fucking chop right here. I don't know. Anyway, 44.24 is your pivot. 44.40 is your R1. I like the 44. 53 is decent. 44.70, I really like that. 44.11, okay. 94 here is going to be interesting because that's my magic green line here. So that's 95 ties into that 94 half on S2, and then 43.81. So I like these pivots today. Here's your daily. I did draw this little trend line here, so that takes us up to 44.80 basically, if we were up there 89. So we could take a run at that, but this is crazy right here. This so I mean, look down here. We fell, but we parked, and we pretty much did a halfway up, right? And that's kind of standard. But here you go. You dip down, hit that level at that 43, 35, 55 area I talked about forever. We bounced right off, and but I don't think that these don't go up forever. There's a correction before, if we're going to continue up, or we tap this and we come back all the way down hard. Again, I don't know. Everything's wonky. We topped last month's high by 7 points at 37, 36 yesterday. So again, that's that wall, and we'll see if we break that. And you've got your last month's POC is 45.13, so that could be a level as well that we could be watching. We'll take a look at that. Weekly, here you are. Nothing much has changed. The 200 days, the 39.54, we're obviously well above that. So I don't know. Euro came down, parked, based, and now is coming back up. So does this continue to go up and dollar go down? If so, this should continue to go up. The Magnificent Seven are just being poured into. So I don't see any, Tesla was up hard yesterday. I don't see any point like NVIDIA is going to crash here. Apple's not going to crash. I think your major funds and all that stuff are just pouring money into the big seven. So it's basically S&P 7. The 493 don't count. Cash gap below on SPX 53 to 47. No cash gap yesterday. We have an upside here at 05 to our 44.97 to 45.05. That might be interesting if we were to take it up, 90 points for a park there. I'd look at 53.47, and then especially this one, 43.34.37, because that kind of ties right into the 43.35, which is the 50 days. So that 33.35 area on SPX would be something I would be watching. Again, I don't know today. We'll have to see. Keep your eyes on the bond market. That's really all that counts. I'm not sure that CPI even matters anymore, because I don't think rate hikes matter anymore. I think it's all bond auctions. Anyway, I'll be in the room. Stay safe.